Upgrade the 2016 to 2019 Honda Civic factory stereo to Tesla screen. First of all, let's remove these two decorative panels. Remove a few more screws around this area. Now remove the air conditioning button panel. Then remove these screws. Remove the radio host of the original car. Then prepare our new host and plug in all the wires. Then dock according to the plug size of the power cord and the plug of the original car. After plugging in the wire, the new host is put here to connect it to the screen through the wire. Let's test it when it's all done. Support map navigation, air conditioning control and other functions.